I'm Fox 4's Anvar Ruziev, your Iona community correspondent, and for nearly 2 years since Hurricane Ian hit, the state has provided trailers like these to people who lost their homes. And now the state is asking some of those people to vacate. But at this RV park, the people are getting to keep their state-donated trailers, and now those who don't have that opportunity want to know why.
It's unfair. Totally unfair.
Unfair is what the recipients of the Unite Florida program call the disbursement of the state-donated trailers.
I slept in my car for 3 months with my dog before this, and it looks like I'm going to be sleeping in my car with my dog again. So I don't really know what to say. It's a sad situation for all of us.
My counselor has told me that we are not allowed to keep the trailers whatsoever at this park because part of the stipulation is you're supposed to be able to keep them in the location that they're already at, and this park will not allow anybody to stay after the 31st whatsoever.
An employee of the Iona Ranch RV Park tells me that the entire park is being renovated, and that means that none of the residents living here can stay or have their trailer donated to them. But just a few miles away is Gulf Air RV Park, where a resident confirmed that they do in fact get to keep their trailer. However, that wasn't the case for all the residents here. Another neighbor in the same RV park told me he didn't know that the trailer donations were even an option.
I did not know I was able to keep this trailer.
Horace tells me that now that he knows that there was a chance to get the trailer donated, he still didn't know how to go about asking how to do it.
I'd like to know what's going on. Some people get the opportunity to get the trailer, and others are just told to get out. I want to know what the criteria is to have a trailer.
And we are still waiting to hear back from the Florida Department of Emergency Management as to what the exact criteria are for keeping the trailers. Once we have that information, I'll be following through for you in these communities, and you can find it online at fox4now.com. In Iona, Anvar Ruziev, Fox 4.